Hello guys, this is Asharam and in this video I'll discuss the solution of problem C of Codeforces Div 2 round 698. Okay, so in this problem you had a symmetric array a1 a2 a2n and it consists of distinct elements, distinct integers. Okay, and it is symmetric if ai is equal to minus aj for some I and j. Okay, now the value of di is defined as the sum of absolute difference between all the elements and element ai. Okay, so now you have lost your array a and have only array d, so you have to find a symmetric array from d. Actually you don't have to find, you just have to check if there exists a symmetric array consisting of 2n distinct integers, and that generates array d. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this problem. Okay, just a sec. Okay, so you have array a1, wait, so you have array a1 a2 and a2n. Okay, so now we can write this array in a new form. Okay, let's ignore this form. We'll write it as a1 a2 an. So there are n positive integers, then corresponding to that there are minus a1, minus a2, minus a3 and minus an. Okay, so these are our 2n elements because for each element there should exist negative of that integer. Okay, and obviously 0 can't be in this, otherwise otherwise 0 and negative 0 is not defined. Okay, so now let's say you are trying to find, let's say this is aj, sorry, this is a I and this is, we have here some aj. So and okay, so now we have to find d of I. So d of I is what? It is ai minus a1 and plus ai minus, okay, consider it some, okay, aj. Now if you observe that if ai plus aj, because we are choosing minus aj once, okay, and we are choosing negative aj once, so this is j is 1 to n. So now if you look carefully, if this j is less than I, okay, if j is less than I, then we will have ai greater than aj, because this is the sorted order. Okay, this is the sorted order, so we will have ai greater than aj. Hence this will unfold as ai minus aj and this will unfold as ai plus aj. So you can have a less than equal to and greater than equal to sign ai, so it will be equal to 2ai. Okay, and another thing, if I is less than j, then ai is less than aj, so then it will unfold as aj minus ai, and this will obviously be always positive, aj plus ai plus aj. Okay, so ai is cancelled to aj, so we can write our di as, and one more thing, yeah, okay, so we can write di as summation of 2ai, okay, sorry, 2i ai, because for each j less than equal to I will get 2 ai, so there will be 2i ai plus suffix sum of from I plus 1, so this is the suffix sum, okay, ai plus 1 to an, so of suffix sum, and this is twice, because you can see that it is 2ai plus 1, ai plus 2 and plus an. So we can just maintain a suffix sum array to directly get this sum. Okay, so we have now find out the di, and by symmetry you can see that d of minus ai will be equal to dai. You can write similar expression and similar condition, and then you will see that they both come out to be equal. Okay, so now from this we can get that each di, so there will be two di's, so for each di there should exist a dj such that they both are equal, because we know that d of minus ai equal to d of ai. So at least each element in d should have frequency of 2. Okay, if it does not have frequency of 2, then we can just say that it is not possible. So first, okay, let me add a page. So first thing to observe is each di occurs twice. Okay, after that, now we know that d1 equal to 2a1 plus 2a2 plus 2a3 plus 2an. Similarly, d2 equal to 2a2, so okay, 2a2 plus 2a2 because it is 2i ai. Okay, and then we'll have 2a3 and 2an. So you can observe that and then there will be symmetry. Okay, finally we'll get dn equal to 2an, 2an, and all of them will be 2an. Now if you observe the difference between two of these two consecutive di's, then you will see that this was a2, right? So you will see that di minus di plus minus di equal to 2 of I into ai plus 1 minus ai. Okay, you can observe this difference because these all terms are getting cancelled, and then okay, sorry, these all terms are getting cancelled and we are left with only this. And similarly, if we're da3, then we'll do it like this, plus 2a3 plus 2a4. So then these terms will get cancelled on difference. So d2 will be just a3 minus a2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so this is our general relation. So now what you can see is each okay, so now, and also dn is this, dn is n to an. So we can just directly find dn. Okay, sorry, we already have dn, so we can directly find an, and we have to check an exists or not. For an to exist, dn should be divisible by, for an to exist, dn mod 2n is equal to 0. Once we have found dn, we can find dn minus 1 using this relation. Okay, so for it to exist, so it is ai. Okay, for it to exist, we have to check this condition. Okay, plus 2i equal to 0. So using this, we can find all the a1, a2, a3, an, and it is clear that this will be the only solution for this corresponding di's. Okay, so now all of these ai should be distinct. Okay, it is possible that you get some ais to be equal, so all of them should be distinct for symmetric array to exist. Okay, so yeah, you have to only check first, you have to check this. And yeah, one more initial check you can make is that you can see that each di is a factor of 2. So you can also check that if there is a odd di, then just say answer is no. So yeah, that's it. So with sorting included, you can see that it is O and log n, and after that it is just n. Okay, so this is the time complexity of this solution. So let's see the code for it. What's my code? Okay, so I'm taking my input, and if I get that di is odd, then okay is false, and if okay is false, then I print no. Otherwise, I'm checking the frequencies. If frequency of any element is odd, then okay is false, because frequency can't be false, as I explained in the solution. Otherwise, what I am doing, I am simulating the process of finding all the AIs. Okay, what is happening? All okay here, and if I'm checking that if I have already found the AI initially and I'm finding it again, then I can't, this solution is not symmetric array. Okay, and accordingly I print yes or no. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.